Hey y'all, it's American Mom. I'm going to continue my Game of Thrones tributes for today since I had a little bit of time, and I'm going to do one now called Jon the Targaryen Wolf. Y'all have requested this a few times as well, so I want to react to that. All right, let's do this.
17 years ago, you rode off with Robert Baratheon.
Your Aunt Lyanna.
Father never talked about her.
You came back a year later with another woman's son.
What was she like?
You want to know the horrible truth? I can't even remember what she looked like.
Stop showing off!
Lyanna!
Ned?
Lyanna.
King Robert was supposed to marry her, but Rhaegar Targaryen kidnapped her.
Someone took her away from me. And 7 kingdoms couldn't fill the hole she left behind.
She was my sister. This is where she belongs.
She belonged with me. She belonged with me.
Promise me.
It's done, Your Grace. Targaryens are gone. Not all of them.
When your brother Rhaegar led his army into battle at the Trident, men died for him because they believed in him, because they loved him.
All those hard sons of bitches chose him as their leader because they believed in him.
Rhaegar fought valiantly.
I fought,
Rhaegar fought nobly.
and I lost.
And Rhaegar died.
I failed. Good. Now go fail again. All those things you don't believe in. He faced those things. He fought those things for the good of his people. He risked his life for them. He took a knife in the heart for them.
He's my king. From this day until his last day.
He needs to know the truth.
Father, smith, warrior. Mother, maiden, crone, stranger. I am hers, and she is mine. From this day until the end of my days.
Robert's rebellion was built on a lie. He loved her. And she loved him. And Jon.
His name is Aegon Targaryen.
The bastard son of a traitor.
Wrong to the litter. That one's yours, Snow.
I keep hearing stories about you, bastard.
He's never been a bastard. He's the heir to the Iron Throne.
Promise me, Ned. Promise me.
Wow.
Promise me.
Yeah, that was really good. Another great creation by TheGaroStudios. I love their work. I like at the end, before Ned was beheaded and he was looking around, you know, that was in season 1, like knowing now the weight of what he knew, and he was raising his nephew and he was a Targaryen, and like he never got to say any of that or tell Jon who his mother was. Like you could see it in his eyes before the sword came down that he was thinking of all that, and that you know, he needed to know, he needed to find out, he still didn't know. It's just really heavy. It's like you can rewatch something over and over again and you can take something else away from it, or be like, oh, I never thought of it this way or that way. Or, you know, he was just always Jon Snow. Like, he was always known as the bastard, runt of the litter, so to speak. And he's heir to the Iron Throne. Well, one of the heirs, possibly. We'll see. But yeah, that was great. I enjoyed that a lot. Thank y'all for watching it with me. Until the next video and the next time. Bye.